This is San Diego, a city with a rhythm all its own. And for some, there's no better way to ride that rhythm than with a little help from a longboard. We had a great swell for longboarding this week. The best surfers showed up in La Jolla to catch some long rides. Speed Bump, an older seal that doesn't see well, was there, getting run over as usual. We will show you why they call him Speed Bump. The drone today is a DJI Air 3, equipped with 2 amazing cameras. Here's our old seeing impaired friend. Please subscribe. See you next week.